Hey! Hi guys, this is Young and I'm right now at Hong Kong International Airport, ready to go to next destination, but I'll tell you guys later, or actually you guys will find out in my next video where I'm going. Hong Kong International Airport is one of the biggest in the world. It's the 8th busiest airport in the world. 74.5 million people travel via Hong Kong International Airport in 2018. So I'm sure a lot of you guys will be coming to Hong Kong, and I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. So today I want to briefly talk about how I buy electronics in Hong Kong. So before I try to make any purchase, there is one site that I always check. It's Pricecom.Hong Kong. If you guys have been following my channel for some time, then I'm sure you guys have seen that page referred to quite a number of times. It shows the cheapest price in different computer stores in Mong Kok and also Wan Chai and Causeway Bay. Especially those products that are not newly released, the price do come down quite sharply in those specialty computer stores. So I make sure I check it rather than calling up different computer stores. I just basically take that price, know that that's the lowest price, go to those computer stores and just ask for that price. And usually it works. It's much better than just walking straight into different computer stores, because as a foreigner, it might be a little bit tough, shall I say. In this Price.com website, there is first line which shows like Hong Kong import price, and the second line actually shows the parallel imports, which means you get sort of cheaper price, you don't get the warranty in Hong Kong. If there are some products that have been in the market for a while, and especially if I just want to try out the products, then I next go to Carousell app. Carousell app is Singapore-based app, but it's basically widely used in Southeast Asia for P2P market where you trade your second-hand goods. Some interesting fact about Carousell is a Carousell CEO who is like 26-year-old. He rejected $100 million offer in his startup because he was so damn confident that he can make it something bigger. Well, maybe he was right. Okay, there's an announcement.
Wow.
So I use Carousell app all the time to trade, products. I sell those products that I don't need anymore, and I also buy those products that I actually really want to try out. But of course, if you're traveling, then I'm not quite sure. And the third way that I actually buy products in Hong Kong, especially if it's new product and Hong Kong release date is quite late, then I just buy either from the product's direct website or bnhphotovideo.com. But I find the delivery charge from B&H Photo to Hong Kong is rather expensive. Or sometimes I also go to Amazon.com where the delivery price is quite reasonable. And if you do buy from direct website, the good thing is that international charge may be free if you actually buy over like say $100 or something. And a lot of products get actually shipped from Shenzhen, which is basically right across an hour away from Hong Kong. And of course there are some other websites such as dcfever.com that some Hong Kong locals have recommended me, but I haven't really used it. I have to say, Hong Kong, what I really found good is that buying lens, especially not the new release, but sort of the camera lens that have been out and about for a while, the price is very, very good. So if you're a camera lover, you happen to be in Hong Kong, then you want to check out the product, especially camera lens here in Hong Kong. So if you're a Hong Kong local who is watching this video, you have better suggestion, then please comment down below. And if you found this video quite useful, then please give thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll have more pretty interesting reviews, especially my upcoming trip in the next few weeks. See you!